What if the moon suddenly and unexpectedly, and without warning, disappeared into the vast, dark, mysterious void of outer space? Can you imagine looking up at the starry night sky and not seeing the moon? That familiar, cratered, luminescent glowing orb that has been faithfully shining down on us since the very dawn of humanity. What a truly bizarre and utterly astonishing, confusing thing it would be to have the skies suddenly and permanently moonless. What would daily life here on planet Earth be like without our loyal, steadfast lunar buddy constantly orbiting overhead like a glowing nightlight in the heavens? Well, grab some hot, buttery, delicious space popcorn and let's explore what could happen if the moon vanished into thin air. First and foremost, we'd obviously lose the gorgeous, breathtakingly mesmerizing moonlight that illuminates our nights with its silvery glow. The evenings would become dramatically, ominously darker every night, like we are permanently stuck in a new moon phase. The blackness would be incredibly creepy. Stargazing sessions with your trusty telescope would be incredibly boring and far less magical without a glowing orb floating through the sky for you to gaze at in wonder. Navigating around outdoors after dark would also become much more treacherous and challenging without that heavenly nightlight to help guide your path through the shadows. It would be perilous to walk the gloomy streets at night or even take out the trash. Can you even imagine and vividly picture how positively nuts the ocean's tides would become? Beach vacations might get a little too outrageously and dangerously intense, with extremely unpredictable, chaotic tidal changes, causing absolutely extreme and biblical high and low tides. Coastal cities would likely experience some catastrophically deadly major flooding from the complete tidal chaos. And what about those dreamy, poetic, romantic lunar phases that have inspired so many iconic songs, films, paintings, books, and folktales through the ages? We wouldn't have any more lovely waxing crescents or glowing full moons to serve as celestial muses. No more werewolves tragically transforming during the full moon to go on bloody, murderous rampages. And the dating scene. Forget about romantic, passionate moonlit walks on the beach. That disappearing moon would seriously harsh that magical, amorous mood. Even beloved moon pies would seem hilariously pointless and silly to eat without an actual moon to blissfully munch under. Now, on a more ominous and catastrophically worrisome note, losing the moon could wreak some irrevocably serious, civilization-destroying havoc here on Earth. Our planet's rotation and orbit would likely become perilously unstable without the moon's grounding, steadying gravitational influence keeping things in check. This could cause absolutely extreme, utterly terrifying shifts in our climate patterns and seasons. Plants and wildlife would struggle mightily to adapt to this cosmically mad chaos. Entire species would become extinct from the ensuing environmental devastation as we plunge into lunarless chaos. And if you truly carefully think about it, so many awe-inspiring cultural and scientific developments have been inspired by Earth's loyal cosmic buddy floating silently above us at night. The legendary moon landings, most famously, but also the luminous moon has profoundly shaped humanity's art, religion, mythology, poetry, and technology for countless millennia as a beaming beacon in our night sky. Tragically losing it could cause our modern society to feel a profound, deeply upsetting sense of emptiness and primal loneliness as we desperately try to grapple with the confusing concept of life sans moon. It would be psychologically devastating. So be sure to earnestly appreciate, deeply admire, and joyfully celebrate that luminous, radiant sphere the next time you see it shimmering like a silvery jewel in the night sky. Because you never know when it might just vanish without a trace into oblivion. But not to worry, our steadfast moon companion doesn't seem to be going anywhere just yet. It will just keep on spinning faithfully through the freezing blackness of space, reliably bathing our nights in its soft glow for generations to come from above in the heavens. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more crazy, far-out, what-if scenarios explored. It takes lots of time and effort to thoroughly research these fascinating topics and create such thoughtful, engaging educational content for your viewing pleasure. We truly appreciate your support and encouragement. Now let's learn some more mind-blowing, intriguing interstellar facts together. To infinity and beyond across the cosmos.